guys, tell me why he made the breakfast this morning and decided he wasn't gonna give it to me. Look at him. Look at his face. Look at his face. He's talking about, you gonna eat this? First of all, you didn't share it out in a plate and hand it to me. I was like, I tasted it. I was like, okay, this tastes good. I'm gonna eat it. Anyways, guys, we're getting ready to go to where I told you guys I was going. Ikea? Yeah, we're getting ready to go look around at Ikea because 2 of the kids need dressers, I think. So I'm gonna go see, write down what I need and stuff so that when we move, we're just like, okay, this is what we need. Kind of like budget for it, you know what I mean? So, you guys know. So anyways, I'll see you guys at, I said that already. Why do I keep repeating myself? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get Maddie. Maddie! She's cranky. Okay, guys, so am I the only one? I have a diaper bag, right? And am I the only one? I was like, oh my gosh, the boys' room, the door just opened, and I was like, what? But my husband just walked through the front door. But I have a diaper bag, but I don't use it. Instead, all I do is I pack me a diaper, 2 diapers, a wipes, and usually a rag to wipe her face if she's messy, and an outfit in my purse. I think she's way too big for a diaper bag, and it fits 1 bag. Okay, so let's go, Maddie. Are you ready? Let's go, Mama. Anyways, guys, so someone asked me a question, and the question was that have we ever lived out of state? So no, this is our first time moving out of state. Oh, my forehead is so big, like so huge. Sun is like blinding me. Gio, Jackson, I can't hear myself think. We've never lived out of state. This is our first time moving away from family. Even though I'm from Jamaica, I don't have any attachment to Maryland at all whatsoever. And my family and I, we don't even see each other right now, so it doesn't even really matter. But it's gonna be harder on his family because they live in Maryland. But she said she doesn't mind that they'll have to commute to us, and it's not really a deal breaker for us because we only see his family once a week, and then on holidays and birthdays and stuff like that. That's gonna be the hardest part, but we can make the adjustment, and it's a bigger house. It's a bigger house, so it's big. Like, all the children will have their own room, and we're gonna have a basement, so we have the space for his parents to come over, or his sister. So yeah, so I figured I would answer that question. So anyways, I gotta go because it's like almost 2 minutes of me talking. I like these for the closet. This is cool. So you could customize these if you want. You could add your drawers. You can add your pants pull out. You can add laundry baskets, dividers. These are cute. Oh, these are shoe. These are for your shoe. You got your door fronts. This is nice. Or the wire drawers. These are cheaper. These are like $20 versus $40 and $55. And then you have your smaller drawers here and stuff. It's cute. I love these drawers. This is $10. Oh, you see the drawers that we were looking at? This one is $55. And then if you were to get like this drawer, it's $15 cheaper. It's $15 cheaper. So we went to Ikea. We didn't see much. Well, we saw much, but it was busy. It was packed. It was too packed, and then I didn't want to pull out the camera and they'd be like, "What is she doing? That's a weirdo." So we're heading back because we gotta go do grocery shopping for this week because we didn't do. Yeah, we gotta do grocery shopping for this week because we didn't do it. No, we got. Why am I confusing myself? We gotta do grocery shop for this week. Gosh, stop confusing yourself. We grocery shop for last week because we're doing weekly. So we gotta go do that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. Where are we going? Walmart? Then we're going, oh, Whole Foods. We gotta go Whole Foods. So that's where we're going right now. Maddie's not happy because Maddie likes to do what she wanna do. So where you going, babe?
Can I vlog?
You're gonna push him off. Pick up your hat.
That's Daddy's hat. Can I vlog? I wanna vlog. Guys, look at this. This is not normal. This is not. It's supposed to curve like these.
You want a plum? You want a plum? Is it plum?
No, these are peaches.
Peaches. You want it? Put it there. I need her blanket. It's very rare that I vlog in Walmart. Can I get her blanket? Say hi. 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 What's up? It's cold outside. Here, hold this.
Yeah. Hey guys.
People, I survive Walmart every single week because Walmart is so inexpensive when it comes to certain things that I sacrifice, you know, surviving. Is it surviving Walmart, honey? Would it be a survival of Walmart that you would say? I don't like Walmart. I hate Walmart, but I love their prices. So I don't know. If you can tell me a place that's much cheaper for food item, let me know. But that's the only place I can find like beans and stuff for like cheap, unless you go to the grocery store when they're having a sale. Then, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure out this vegan diet thing because there has to be another way. Go on, bad boy. This guy don't know how to retreat stop sign. He's from El Salvador. Let me stop.
So there's gotta be an easier way?
There has to be an easier way, right, honey?
No.
Let me see if I can put you guys there, cause my hand hurts. My hands are hurting, and wow! You did that on purpose. You're excused. Anyways, we're back in the house, and we spent $70. Was it 7? 69 something. And it's only, we already had food in the house. We just needed to get just like protein based things. 'Cause of course, you know, my husband is vegan. Well, we're vegan, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick little haul. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So let's start here. My husband is trying to quit. Could you guys be quiet, please? I don't like you. I really don't like you. He's trying to quit smoking, so we got him some gum and hard candy. to help with his cravings for nicotine. And then we got some, can you keep that thing from here, please?
Okay.
We got some sausage.
Put it over there in the front.
These are really good. These are vegan
Put it over there.
sausage and they're really good. Got some organic rice because I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna ferment this rice overnight and use it for my hair. So that's what I got that for. Got some Larabar apple pies. These are good. These are really, really good. Got some fresh fruits. You know, one of each because it's for my husband's lunch. Ton of banana. Got some vanilla cream wafers for Maddie because she loves those. Kidney bean. Black bean. What is this? Coconut milk. And a can of Ackee. Vegetarian bean. 2 of those. And then the rest is what I just showed you. Almond milk for Maddie. I give her the chocolate kind. I found this bad boy. And it's uncooked tortillas. So you just heat it up. Stir fry, pepper stir fry. Some olive oil. Is that all we got, babe? And Cheerios for the kids. That's all? That's it? So this is $70. We also got this whole wheat Greek style pita. There's 6 of them in here. Jackson! There's no reason for you to be that loud. So yeah.